Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. Today I have a very special unboxing to show you guys, and as you can see, these are Madam Glam's gel paints kit. They have also launched their own brushes guys, and I'm really excited that they have their own brushes now, and these are all nail art brushes. So I'm going to show you each one of them, and this is their gel paint kit. So this is their new launches and you will find them on their website, so do check it out. Also use my coupon code cherry30 to get 30% off whenever you make a purchase from them. So as you know, all Madam Glam products are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula and hammer free. Okay, so now first let me show you the brushes, and these are their 5 brush kit, and they also sell individually on their website. So that's how they come guys, in this very protective plastic thing, and you just open it from here and you take the brush out, and look at this one, so pretty. And this is called detail liner, and when you open it you have the other plastic to protect the brushes, and that's how it looks. Such a fine detail brush. So I'm gonna open all of them and show you guys. So I've opened all of them, and these 3 are their liner brushes, which is ultra liner, detail liner and long fine liner. So that's how they look. So this is the tiny one, and there's the up close of the brushes guys, and this is the longer one, the 3rd one. And yeah, I really like how fine these are. Like, they're really like perfect art brushes, and I really like black and gold, like, which is Madam Glam's standard color. And yeah, these are the lids, so just put it back so you protect them. So I'm really happy that they came with lid, and they look super classy. Next one is called Ombre and application. This is the ombre and this is the application. So they have this little powder here, so you have to like flick it up and make it smoother. Oh my god, this is really smooth. So when you apply like these gel paints, you can use this brush to apply on the nail. And this is the ombre brush, and even this one is a little bit stiff, so you just flick it this way, and as you can see, it's really smooth now, and really long ombre brush. I can't wait to use these and show you how they work. So now we come with gel paints kit, and I really like the pink. And if you go at the back says your specialist one-stop shop for all things nails, everything you love at your fingertips. And that's their information here. So let's open it. And over here, this is the magnet, so it just goes right back. And look at these gel paints guys, they look amazing. I haven't opened them, but I'm gonna open it right now. So they have like all the colors you need to create a nail art. Here is white, black, red, blue, green, purple, brown, pink, orange, yellow, silver and gold. I'm really excited for silver and gold. And over here you see it said highly pigmented no wipe gel paints. So these are no wipe, like you don't have to wipe the sticky layer. They don't have any sticky layer. Perfect for all kinds of designs and techniques. So the product must be cured with LED lights for 1 minute and UV lights for 2 minutes. So that's how they look. Let me take it out. And this is the container here. There's a 5 ml of product inside these jars, which is 0.17 fluid ounce. And you see the silver on top, and it's written, so it's very convenient to know what color you want to paint. You have a color on top of the lid, so you don't have to swatch it, and they have given the swatch here too. So this is a really great feature. So if you open it, so they all come in this silver protectant, so you know there's no chance of leaking the product out when they ship you, which is great. But it's not easy to take these out, you know. But what I do, I use the X-Acto knife to remove the cap. So make sure to wear gloves whenever you remove this seal protectant, because you don't want any uncured gel on your skin. So make sure to wear gloves. And this is my X-Acto knife, which I'm gonna cut it and open these gel paints. Then I just grab my tweezer, take this out. Look at the silver, so pretty. And always stir the gel paint before use, because they've been sitting for some time, so you know it's good to stir whenever you get a new product. And after you stir it, just put the lid on. And I would actually keep it in the box it came in, so they'll be straight and they don't move around much. So let me open the other ones and I'll be right back. So I have opened them all, guys, and as you can see, they look so great together. And since they are all solid colors, I don't have to swatch and show you guys how they look because they are very pigmented solid colors. And with these 12 colors, you can create a variety of colors of your choice. So these are very versatile colors to have in your collection and create some beautiful nail arts. So now I'm gonna show you some designs using some of these colors. So stay tuned for that. So guys, now I'm gonna show you how to do ombre nails using their ombre brush. So here I have perfect white and this one is called rosy nude. So I'm gonna do the ombre with these two colors. So here I have my nail ready. So now I'm gonna apply on the half side of the nail a rosy nude. And just below I'm gonna apply a white. I'm gonna grab my ombre brush and first I'm just gonna do like sideways, trying to blend both colors together. Very light pressure. And I keep wiping my brush here on my palette. And now I'm just gonna tap both colors together. Just like so. And just back and forth. So as you can see, it actually blended the two colors really well, and I'm really impressed with the ombre brush. I really like the ombre it created. So now I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. So it's all cured now and looking so pretty. Now I'm just gonna apply a top coat. You can do another coat of the colors, but since I'm doing a demo, but I'm really happy like with just two colors it blended really well. And I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. So it is fully cured now and it looks so amazing, and I really love the ombre effect here. So now I'm gonna show you how to clean the dirty brushes. So here I have my tray and I've just put some top coat. So you just have to run the brush on the top coat this way and just wipe the excess over here, because if you clean it with alcohol or acetone, it's gonna ruin the brush and it won't last you for a really long time. But if you want the brush to last for really long, that's how you have to clean the brushes. And as you see, it's pretty much clean. And just wipe the brush on the towel like that. So that's how you clean it, and it looks pretty neat. And now I've grabbed the lid here, so you just carefully put it in the lid, and yeah, you save the brushes this way and they last super long. So now I'm gonna use the application brush and show you how well it works. So I've got my white gel paint here and my nail. Gonna open this and just I'm gonna dip it into the jar like that. As you can see, it's not thick, it's pretty runny. Most of the art gels are pretty thick, but it's very easy to work with. Just grabbed a little bit and just apply on the nail, and look at this opacity, guys. It is so opaque. I don't think I need another coat of white. It is so opaque and pigmented, and the application brush is very smooth to apply. So you can see how pigmented it looks. So now I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds in my LED lamp because it is a pigmented color. So it needs 1 minute to cure it. Usually Madam Glam gel polishes, they cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna do some nail art, guys, and here I'm using ultra liner brush, the medium length, and I'm using black and gold. So first I'm gonna do some gold line in between. Oh, I love this gold, such a pretty one, and it is super pigmented. And I really love this liner brush, like it is so smooth and just glides on, like as you can see. So I'm just making the gold a little more thicker. just like that. And I'm just gonna cure this for 1 minute and just clean the brush into the clear base. Now I'm just gonna pick up some black and outline the gold. You just need a little bit of the color, guys. As you can see, it's very pigmented. Now I'm just gonna draw a leaf going from top to bottom. So that's how it looks so pretty. And I'm just gonna put some dot here like an abstract. So now I'm gonna apply a Madam Glam top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So that's how it turned out, guys. I'm really happy with this abstract nail. What do you think? And I'm super impressed with these brushes. Like, they are super smooth and it glides on really nicely. And you know, you can create bunch of nail arts with these brushes. So now the last design I'm using with this nail, I have created this in my last video using Madam Glam's Dots matte top coat. This is Spot Me, and the color is called On a Sky. It's such a beautiful color. So now I'm going to use pink gel paint and do some design with that. Very easy. And here is my application brush. So I'm thinking to do like some abstract, so probably put the pink like half side kind of. And cover the half side with the pink. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I just have a design in my mind and I'm just going with the flow. So now I'm gonna do another coat on the pink, since it is not, I can still see the color underneath. So you need another color if you want to cover the older color. So now I'm gonna do some silver lining on this design and using my ultra liner brush. So I'm just gonna outline where the two color meets. So now I'm going to apply a shiny top coat from Madam Glam and cure for a minute. So here's the final look, guys, and I'm really happy how these nails turned out using Madam Glam's gel paints and their brushes. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm super impressed. I really like this one. This was just last minute. I didn't think of it, what to do, and I had a nail right there in front of me because I just washed the top coat in my last video. So yeah, just put some pink polish there and some silver lining. Super happy. I really like the leaf and the ombre. It's like just one coat, guys. Come on, like it's just one coat of two colors. You could do two coats on natural nails, but yeah, just on practice nail I just did one coat of two colors, blended it super nicely. You could definitely create a lot more designs with their gel paints. They have all the colors that you need and you can make your own as well. I'll be doing a lot more designs using these gel paints and posting on my Instagram, so do check out my Instagram, guys. It's Cherry Blossom Nail Art. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and the link of these gel paints and brushes are in the description box below, along with my coupon code, so do check it out and grab these products before they run out. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.